Ta konferenca je izjemno pomembna ne samo za igralce, ampak za vse imetnike pravic, bodisi na literarnih, glasbenih ali avdiovizualnih delih. Sicer smo tukaj danes z fokusom in mislimi na igralcih, na avdiovizualnih delih. Je pa konferenca prišla ravno pravi čas, končno so se vsi ukrepi sprostili in imamo po 2 letih in pol zopet lahko dogodek v živo. Pomemben je pa zato, ker je Slovenija v procesu implementacije direktiv in je eno tistih 13 držav, ki direktive še ni prenesla, in s to konferenco naslavljamo odločevalce z željo, da bi direktive implementirali tako, da bi igralcem in ostalim imetnikom pravic na audiovizualnih delih omogočila čim bolj kreativno okolje.
Yeah, we desperately need provisions which provide a fair share for all creators, and this starts with the platforms. They have to pay for the value of the contribution, of the artistic contribution, and we have to provide mechanisms that a decent and fair share is received by the actors especially, and that's what we are discussing here, and I'm glad to be in this lovely country with a splendid culture, and without fair payment there is no contribution to culture. That's quite simple. Thank you.
We are the European Federation of Performers Collective Management Organizations, so collective management organizations collecting money for performers, being musicians and actors. And for what concerns the actors, for us the biggest challenge, which has been the challenge the last 5 years and will be the biggest challenge in the coming years, is to further develop the actors' rights in the online environment. So make sure that they get equitable remuneration for streaming exploitations and for online broadcasting.
I'm here at this very important event to support IPA and the Slovenian actors, who I believe have a very good chance now when implementing the 2019 directive for improving their level of protection by implementing a system similar to the one we have in place in Spain, which is allowing actors to participate in a fair manner in the exploitation of their performances in digital networks.
The subject matter of our conference is partly extended collective licensing. The new EU directive allows member states to introduce general extended collective licensing, and what is sexy about this is that it is the right blend between state intervention and autonomy for right holders. It extends the coverage of a license to all right holders while minimizing state intervention. So for authors and other right holders managing exclusive right, this is probably the best solution.